I'm Todd Begg. I'm a knife maker here in Petaluma, California. I made my first knife in 1983 when I was 12 years old, and I went full time with it in 2003, and I've been at it ever since. So my first knife I made off of the advice that I received from a how-to article in a knife magazine, and it was how to make a knife from a file. And I broke apart a file and got some deer antler, and I built that thing, and I still have it. It's very crude, very, very crude, but I was just hooked on it. And I saw my first knife magazine when I was 12, and I was just like, I'm doing this. This is what I'm doing for the rest of my life. I know it. And I've been working towards it ever since. And I had no talent, no skills, no nothing, just tons and tons of passion and desire to keep going on it. And I've kept going all these years. I think one of the things that sets my knives apart is I pay attention to everything. I believe the collector deserves to see attention on every surface of the knife, every aspect of the knife, the design, everything. Everything needs to be the best of my current abilities of what I think I can do for that customer. And I think there are guys that do that. You look at their work from years ago, it's not as good as what they're doing now, and that means that they've improved and they're trying to improve. And I think guys like that are the ones that are going to succeed in knife making. I probably get majority of my satisfaction in knife making when the first time I hold a knife in the real world that had been in my brain up to that point, to watch it materialize and see it being born by my hands right in front of my eyes. And it had previously been a thought, and then it was a sketch, and then it was work on the computer, or it was work on the bandsaw. You know, it's just however I decided to make that particular one, to watch it come into creation for the first time. That's where I get the most satisfaction. It's extremely gratifying to see that process happen.